Okay, so here's what I found with this cutout. I'm going to show you here. If I go to my image tab and I click cutout and I choose this guy here, which looks like the one that is being used, I can then go down like this. The cutout occurs, and as you see, we have a shadow here. Now, we do have the same cutout here, and there's no shadow, of course, because the shadow is based on as if the light is coming from the upper left corner. But what you're suggesting here is that when you cut out part of this, nothing actually happens. So I've removed the gap successfully, as you're wanting, but the problem actually ensues when you perform the second cutout. So when I perform the second one, keep your eye trained on the first one. See how it got darker? So that means that the shadow is being repeatedly applied. So here's the deal. Here's what I found that you can use as a workaround. So instead of using the cutout tool, what I'm going to do is go to my Tools tab and make sure I've got my selection here. I'm going to select across, perhaps this is the part I really want to cut out. I'll hit the Delete key. Now I need to apply that cutout to this top edge. So again, I'm going to select part of that. And instead of using the cutout tool, I'm going to go to the Image tab, over here to Edges. Now that was a wave, so I'm going to apply the Wave Edge options. This allows me to change the size of the effect, of course. I only want it applied to the bottom, so I'll click here to remove the right edge of the wave. And the shadow, you did want a shadow, so here I can remove the shadow by pulling the depth down. You can see it's giving me an outline, and I don't want that, so I'll take the outline off. So I'll click OK. Makes me a nice wave without the shadow. I've got this gap, so I'm going to go back to my cutout tool here and remove the gap. And I want the matching wave down here on the bottom. So again, back to my tools. I'm going to select across part of the image. And again, back to the Image tab, Edges, Wave Edge Options. You can see it reset back to what I was using before. So what I'm going to do is take the shadow depth away. I'm going to turn on the top and then turn off the bottom and the side, which leaves the wave here. Again, I want 0 for the outline. And I'll click OK on that. And now I've got a nice cutout. If I wanted to move that up, I could then go back to my tools and take the gap away by selecting that part and scooting it up. Hopefully they get you what you want. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.